Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked how close to -3 do we have to take x so that 1 over x plus 3 to the fourth is greater than 10,000. So the easiest way we're going to do this is to graph this function. Right, so if you have the function right here, this is the graph of 1 over x plus 3 to the fourth. And if we zoom out, we can see, not zooming out too much, that we have the line y equals 10,000. So what we need to do is we need to zoom in on this point near 0 on the x-axis and near 10,000 on the y-axis to find out where the red function and the blue function intersect, right? And so I've done that, zoomed all the way in, and we can see that there's two intersections, which makes sense because that is, it's a limit, so it's approaching it from both sides. And we can see that this occurs at -3.1 and -2.9. So what we can say is that this is true if x is less than -2.9 and greater than -3.1. So how close to -3 do we have to take x? Well, the distance, which we can call delta, has to be less than 0.1.